Okay, so my goal here is to show you how to do single sign-on to get into your Google account. So you need to go to this web address, http://my.hcsb.k12.fl.us. So I copied it, right click, copy, come onto a browser, and up in the web address, you are going to right click, paste, go to that address. And here you're going to put your username, which is what you use to sign into your computer, and your login when you sign into your computer at the start of your day. Click login. This is that single sign-on page. This is a way to get to your Google Drive, and this is also a way to get to your Google Drive. This one, because it has the lock, will more than likely ask you to type in that password another time. So I like to go to this one, and I also cancel this out. I ignore that. So going here, just wants to verify that it is truly you. So continue at that spot if that comes up. And here is your Google Drive. Should find in your shared with me the Google goodies. And I've talked about using the search feature, so searching for that Google goodies. Hopefully it works, but it is glitchy. And there you go. You have gotten into your Google Drive and you've gotten into the Google goodies slide.